we're going to explain how to remove PW batch. PW batch, often referring to a batch of files or processes related to a password manager or similar software, can sometimes become problematic. Removing it completely requires a multi-step approach, depending on where it's stored and what it is. Here's how to tackle it. 1. Identify the PW batch files and folders. First, you need to locate exactly what constitutes PW batch. This might involve searching your computer using the File Explorer's search function, usually a magnifying glass icon, for PW batch or related keywords like the name of the password manager you suspect is linked to it. Look in common locations like your Downloads folder, Documents, Program Files, and the App Data folder, which is often hidden. You may need to show hidden files and folders in your File Explorer settings. Pay attention to file extensions like .exe, .bat, or folders that seem suspiciously named. 2. Create a system restore point. Optional but recommended. Before making any significant changes, it's wise to create a system restore point. This allows you to revert your system to its previous state if something goes wrong during the removal process. This is usually accessible through the Control Panel's system settings. 3. Close all related processes. Before deleting anything, ensure that no programs associated with PW batch are currently running. Check your task manager, usually accessible by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC, and end any processes that seem related. 4. Delete the files and folders. Once you've identified and verified the PW batch files and folders, you can delete them. Simply select them and press the delete key. You might need administrator privileges to delete certain files or folders. Windows might ask for confirmation before deleting. 5. Empty the recycle bin. After deleting the files and folders, ensure you empty your recycle bin to permanently remove them from your system. 6. Check for registry entries, advanced. In some cases, PW batch might have created entries in the Windows registry. Accessing and modifying the registry is advanced and can cause system instability if done incorrectly. Only attempt this step if you have experience with the registry editor, regedit.exe, and understand the risks involved. If you do proceed, carefully search for keywords related to PW batch and remove any relevant entries. Be extremely cautious. It's usually better to leave this step to experienced users. 7. Reinstall the password manager, if applicable. If PW batch was related to a password manager and you want to continue using it, after deleting the problematic files and folders, you may need to reinstall the software. This will ensure a fresh installation and remove any residual corrupted files. 8. Scan with antivirus. Run a full scan with your antivirus software to ensure that no malware remains. Remember to always be cautious when deleting files and folders, especially those you're unsure about. Back up important data before making significant changes to your system. If you're uncomfortable performing these steps yourself, it's best to seek help from a computer professional.